So what are some necessary and helpful tools that you're going to need during this tutorial? Well, the links will be in the video description, but the first tool that I'm going to start with is a tool called Desktop Server. This is a way for you to have a local install of a WordPress website. You'll see more of this further along in the video series. You're going to need a web browser. It's a basic tool which will allow you to browse your website. You will need an FTP application. I use an application called Yummy FTP. There are free FTP applications that you can use, and we don't go through all of the setup of these tools currently in the video series. We may add that as an addendum later on, but we don't go through these. If you don't use an FTP application, there is a file manager with most hosts that you can use to manage your files instead of having to use FTP. The next helpful tool I would say that you can use in order to get your site live is going to be web hosting. So there are lots of different web hosts, and we'll be going through just some fundamentals of web hosting. And I have a very long list of hosts that you could check out yourself as well. And then the next helpful tool would be Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, it would be helpful for you down the line if you wanted to customize graphics, add those graphics to your website. Once you understand the basics of WordPress, you're going to be able to do a lot simply from the administrative area without ever touching one piece of code. So let's go on to the next video.